For a parent looking for their missing child, time is the delicate matter. Click the clock, advance time. Okay. Huh? Ooh. Oh, look at the blood. No freaking way. Oh. Okay. Was I supposed to see anything else over here? Oh my, oh lord. This is weird. Is it laggy though? I have no idea. Well, Jumbo Josh says, eat vegetable and fruit to become strong like me. I'm not reading to the left. I should be, but I'm not. Well, what am I supposed to get, huh? Boots? No. For this door. Okay. Then open. Oh yeah, we have a drone. Oh. Remote requires 2 batteries. Huh. You don't say. Dear mommy, I'm hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is only chance to make clear like me. Oh. Some kid has a crush on a girl. I need 2 batteries. Oh, a battery. A 1 battery. 2 batteries. Nice. Stingler Flanny says, having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. I don't know. It's kinda sus. Use your tool. Oh, no way. Oh yeah, I have to press this with the toy. Wait a minute. Oh, you're green. Come over here. Get over here. Press this. Oh, nice. So I give him command so he hits it. Nice. Nothing happened. Oh, we have to do this one too. Come on, hit it, baby. Oh, my bad. Yeah, you can hit that. Come on, hit the button. Awesome. Yay, but this one is not open. Brother, I saw you on Jacksepticeye's video. You are some weirdest. The end is here, huh? Oh yeah, I forgot this is a glass. Yeah, I'm not going there. Ho ho ho, this is scary. There you are, huh? Bumblebee now says kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere, huh? You don't say. Ah, I have the keycard. Banban says sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mad. Huh? Is this an anime reference to what's its name? I love eating your pancreas. Come on, get over here. Oh, I think I have to get the key card first. Okay, key card not here, key card not here. Yo, the chairs are flying. Captain Fiddle says, ooga booga ooga, ooga booga booga ooga. That's kind of weird, man. It's not like I'm weird or something, but, you know, find next to feed the Opila bird. Found it. 1. second one. How many eggs do I have to find? 3. Come on, I'll feed you with Opila bird mission. Opila bird is unable hungry. He feeds its 6 eggs to get your prize. So you have 3 eggs for now, huh? There's 1. Okie dokie. Here's the 4th one. I know something scary happened after I feed it, but I don't remember what. Hold on, what's this? What do you... Was there a button over there all this time? Was it? I don't remember. Hit it. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Let's see what happens. Hit it. Awesome. There's an egg. Did you pop out of this? I can't even say English words. Well, who cares? I got all the eggs. Now what? Claim your reward at mouse. What's the... Oh, yellow card. Okay. We proceed with the blah. Never mind, we're proceeding this. Yes. Hit this. Hit the... What? What do you mean? Can I break it now? Come on, break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. You know I had to cheat. You know I had to. I'm not having this. I don't remember. Oh no, it broke. Oh no. Hit it. I don't care. Oh my god. Wow. A door open. We have a hammer. Yo. That's good, huh? Isn't it? Bunny hop, yeah, yeah. Yay! Out of my way, because monster will get in my way. Oh, okay. I can use this. Oh, look at your little feet over here. What do we have here, huh? Yay, we go around. Look at these little feet. Little killer feet. This is becoming a little bit scary. Ah, I don't remember your color. You think I remember your color? No, I don't. Of course I don't remember your color. Who do you think I am? Hold on, let me reverse this. Oh, it's every time it's again. I think you were... What was that? I want to play with the whole bird. Everyone left. I alone. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason see me, but go. I am scared because whole is whole and my friends scream. But bird is funny. What? I think you're white. Oh my god, you're so slow. I think you are blue. You're red. Why did I even change you? Why? Why did I make it so hard for myself? You're pink. You monster. Now, I don't remember you. I think you're yellow. You, I don't remember you. I think you're green. And I think you're blue. No. Yeah, you're pink. I'm gonna cheat again. It wasn't green, it was... I don't know what color was it. But okay. Oh shit. Oh fuck you. Oh, what do I do here? Oh shit. Ah, no, 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 no. You ain't gonna get me, bitch. You ain't gonna get me. Yeah, I'm gonna freak you up, huh? Huh? What you gonna do, bitch? Oh shit. I forgot what to do here. H. What? Hate? Dead? I'm pressing E. I wanna be react. Don't freaking tell me even though I fucking... Ah, this is some bullshit. Man, freak you. Man. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, please. Hit it, please. Hit this thing now. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. I died. THT, what? What's HT? Dead? I hate this timing ass game. Hey, you creepy ass bitch. Come on. Come on. Do it. Yeah, I ain't having this. Ah, come on! I didn't... I hate this game so much. And screw you. Yeah. Screw. I hate this. Man, screw you. Man, fuck you. Oh, you scared me, you little bitch. You're so fat you hit the ground. You fat little bird. My. Okay. Yeah, we proceed with the next. Okay, that sounds scary. Can I do anything over here? No. What do I do now, huh? No, seriously, what do I do now? No, there's something. Oh my god, look what I have found. I didn't, you know, I didn't even freaking know it was there. I just guessed it, and I saw it. So not on YouTube found, so not, yeah. What? Oh, does the big guy come here? Doesn't it? The green big guy. Is the big green guy coming? What do I do? Oh yeah! I go down! Yeah, that's awesome! This is awesome! I forgot about this. The green guy comes down here and kills me, what I remember. Yeah, I remember that. Oh no. And that big... Oh, that's scary in the dark. I don't like this. Oh, there you are. Oh snap. Oh, I'm freaking scared. Oh no. No, what's gonna... Yeah, I'm dead. Oh, we fat as hell, huh? We're one fat motherfucker. Oh my god, wow, thanks for playing. Check the sequel, wow. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you guys for everything, for watching, wow. I definitely didn't see on YouTube how to play this. Definitely didn't see it. Yeah guys, hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one. Bye.